Okay, we're testing now. Let me go see if this works. So, I'm not sure if it works. Let's see if it does. We're going to go to Canvas. See if I can get in. Give myself a login. And see if it lets me in. So we may get blocked because Boston Scientific just does not like anything Google. But it looks like so far I'm in, which is somewhat miraculous. Let's see if I can get over to the content for this class. Wow, if I can, see the presentation. Ah, that's what I figured would happen. Okay, so that's blocked. Let's try playlist. Playlist works. Okay, that's good to know. Maybe we can make this work. So let's stop the recording.